different. I'm gonna be playing this Wings of Fire game. It's not something I usually do. But I was looking through Roblox and I saw this. And I joined it and it cracked me up. And I'm pretty sure one of my friends is gonna be joining me, so let's play. Oh my god. Alright, so this is where we spawn in. So then we go here. Let's just not pick a dragon for a second. There's a castle over there. And up there is where you pick your dragon. Oh wow, you can zoom out really far. Okay, well, let's go get a dragon and our flying equipment. Okay, so let's see, which design is most advanced? I think this is like by probably the most advanced one, just because of this little like fading thing right here. And the wings. Except all the wings have that, except for this one. Well, it has it, okay. But look at these designs. You know, I think I'm gonna be this guy. I think I'm gonna be this one. Alright, so I've been transformed. These have no animations, and okay. Oh, we can go into first person, okay. But we're not gonna go into first person. So there's our flying equipment, let's get that. So we can fly. Let's see, what does this do? And then there's that. Alright, let's teleport into the map. Oh, where did I go? Wait, what? What? Oh, this didn't work. Let's reset. Let's reset. I don't think that worked. So that teleporter does not work well with the models. So we're gonna take this guy, go here, here, and here. So we gotta fly. Oh, they joined. I am scary. Roar. I am scary. This is the dumbest thing. Okay, well, let's. Okay, let's. No! Don't die! The jetpack stopped working. No! Okay, let's get out of the castle. This is so bad. Oh my god, I just flew through here. What is... So the jetpack has like no control whatsoever. What? Okay, well, let's just go through these walls. Because I don't... What? Okay, let's go explore. Yeah, let's be flying. You have like no control of where you're going with this. Oh my god. Yeah, we're not gonna, okay, let's see what this does. Oh, wait, what? Okay. Did this like kill anyone? Okay. Okay, well, now we know what that does. Let's go in the water. Let's see if I can get... Oh! Pfft. I just walk in the water. Oh! Yeah, I want to get out of that. Okay. Alright. Bro be so slow. What happens when you have no animations, though? Okay, let's see what's through. Oh, something with a barrier. I was not expecting to find that in this, interesting game. Yeah, the castle's not worth searching. Also, why is it so tiny? Like, oh my god. Let's see, what is in here? This probably has the same sort of, yep. Oh, wait, there's something here. Move! There is actually something here. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, except I can't get past this poor dragon. And I'm stuck. Let's get to, yeah, let's fly. Oh my god. Dude, this thing doesn't work. I don't think I'm gonna find, wait. Bro, it's just like the, oh, I think I know what it is. I think it's supposed to be like the dragonette's, cave. Yeah. I think that's what this is. Alright, we're gonna have to reset again. And become one with the human. Okay. So now we're a human. Now we're gonna go explore because it doesn't work if you're a dragon. Oh, here is the water. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this actually looks kind of good. Let's keep exploring. See, is there a way to get in without using water? Okay, I'm not even gonna lie, this kind of looks like just like a copy, like right here. Like how the water is, looks sort of like a copy of how the Wings of Fire early access. Well, not a, oh, this is the barrier. This is the barrier we saw before. Is this supposed to be like that boulder? I think. Okay, well, this was interesting. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh wait, there was more. Oh wait, there. Oh, if only like this had like a flying animation. Yes, this is definitely an ice wing. This is the ice wing. Where is? I don't know what this purple dragon's supposed to be. Wait, how many traps are here? 2, 4, 6. Okay, there's 7. So these are just like. Oh right, this is the Pyrrhia. I wonder if there's a Pantala version. Okay, I don't know what that one is. Mudwing, Seawing. Thinks. What is a green tribe? Oh, Rainwing, Nightwing, Icewing. So what? Is this like supposed to be a Skywing? I'm scared. Alright, let's get our ice breath. Let's annihilate this person. I think this is like, okay, let's see. Intimidation. I'm scared. Let's see if we can find any glitches with this thing. Let's kill it. Oh, that's survival mode. Oh. My god. My god. Oh, I was not expecting that. All right, let's get our flying equipment. Let's get our flying equipment. Like a box. I want control of where I'm flying. Okay, let's see if we can. No, no, no! What is it? I want to get in here. No, no! Okay, what is this water source? Also, I think I'm just breaking my screen. Okay, let's get... No! Come on, get it. We gotta make it. No! I don't know anymore. Okay, let's play as a Nightwing. Yeah, let's go. Bro, why his eyes be glowing? Also, why is there no fade? Makes me sad. But these models be basic. Alright. Oh. Is this like for like a survival? I don't know, but what is this creature? I never figured out what this could be. Wait, where's Sandwing? Wait, where is this? Is it, are you telling me this is supposed to be a Sandwing? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm the purple dragon. I'm the purple dragon. I don't know what this is supposed to be. It looks goofy. They be looking goofy. Well, this was an interesting experience. I might do more of these. I don't know if I can find any more other like games. I could possibly I might look for like a more like maybe possibly try to find one that is like at least a little bit accurate. Possibly, but I don't know. This game was kind of scary. But that is all. If you liked this, consider subscribing. You can always unsubscribe if you want, but that would make me sad. I'm kidding. You can do it if you want. But if you liked this video specifically, please comment that you do so I can do more of these. Yeah. That's it. Adios.